In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best working Zenni Optical coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Zenni Optical coupon code. Right here, scroll down a little bit and go to this website which is called Simply Codes. As you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get some promotions and some discounts. So for example, let's say if you want to get this 10% discount right here, which is also a verified code, all you need to do is select this button where it says get code. And here is our promo code right here. You can simply copy this one and you can use it to get a 10% discount off your next purchase. Going back to the main search right here, we have this website as well, which is called Groupon. And right here, as you can see, we have some promo codes and some deals as well. And you can use this one to get some discounts. So let's say you want to get this $20 discount off your order. All you need to do is just tap right here where it says C code. And here is our promo code right here. You can simply copy this one and you can apply this promo code so that you can get a $20 discount on your next order. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.